Poo-poo?
Let's hear the song that it plays.
Oh, yay.
It stayed in my head for a week.
I know it does. Yay! Oh, yeah, here it goes.
I was giggling all week at work about that. And you're like, what are you laughing at? I was like, nothing.
No.
You weren't there.
Daddy, look at my pony. I got a pony.
You got a pony.
That is a cute one. I like the little painted one.
Oh, yeah.
That
Get on the pony, Ray.
It's the same.
Why don't you pull it out some, Phoebe? So I can...
Amy.
So she doesn't have to learn the words to a new song, right?
Yeah, here you go.
Oh boy, clippity clop.
Oh, love the hairdo, Freya. Look at that smile. It's pretty.
She's gonna look back and be like, Mom, why'd you do that?
It's so pretty. Pretty.